So basically, what you see through the surface there, if you cut through that section, is something like that. But beneath that, you have 1.2 millimeters of leather, and then you have the sew lines where those materials are joined, where the two pieces of leather are joined. Then we want to have a soft feel on as you push it. So when you push there, you've got a 3 millimeters of foam, and this is all applied by hand at Bentley. Then, if you imagine, it still has to sit on something solid, so the substrate, which is plastic, underneath all that will be this shape underneath here, and we work with the trim engineers to achieve that soft feel and also precision. So all the lines, I was talking earlier about getting the lines in exactly the right place so they sit properly. So what you have is a nice soft touch there when you push there, but there you get a perfect line. So a lot of, not just from the design point of view, this is where working with the engineers really comes into play, and we can work with these guys, and they sit in an office nearby. I can walk and talk to them, and we can get all these lines perfect, because of course it's natural materials we're working in. It's not an injection molding like mass produced. So this is sort of our bread and butter. This is what makes us Bentley, really.